Earlier we have discussed about the cell and its type. Today we will discuss about the prokaryotic cell. As you know that prokaryotic cells are the primitive cells which do not have well defined nucleus. And as you know that example of the prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell. First of all, see the structure of a prokaryotic cell. As the bacteria or prokaryotes are unicellular, you can see here these unicellular cells or prokaryotic cells excrete a glycocalyx layer around themselves, and this layer, if the molecules of these glycocalyx molecules are compactly arranged, then we call them as a capsule, and if the molecules of glycocalyx are loosely arranged, then we will call them slime layer. That means this slime layer or this capsule will be the outermost layer of the bacteria. Then inner to this capsule is cell wall. Cell wall is non-living rigid structure which are present in some cells, like in prokaryotes or bacteria. It is made up of peptidoglycans. So we can say that the cell wall is made up of different material in different organism. You can see here in prokaryotes or bacteria, this cell wall is made up of peptidoglycans, while in protist diatoms, this cell wall is made up of cellulose plus silica. In euglenoids, this cell wall is replaced by, in place of the cell wall, here is a protein pellicle. Then in fungi, this cell wall is made up of chitin. In next is algae, this cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactans, mannans, calcium carbonate, etc. In plants, this cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, hemicellulose, pectin, etc. And in case of animals, this cell wall is absent. So we can say that this cell wall is present in most of the cells but not in all, and it is made up of different material in different cells. Then next to the cell wall is plasma membrane. The composition of plasma membrane or structure of plasma membrane is similar in most of the organisms or cells, or even in the membranes of the organelle. Inside this plasma membrane space enclosed, and this space contains a fluid material that is called as cytoplasm. Here in the cytoplasm, the genetic material, as we know that here nucleus is absent, so genetic material is present in the cytoplasm, and the region of the cytoplasm where this genetic material is present, that is known as nucleoid. And here in the nucleoid region, somewhat dense cytoplasm is there. Cytoplasm is little dense than the other regions, and some smaller organelles without membrane organelles like ribosomes are also present in the prokaryotic cell, and these ribosomes are 70S type of ribosome, and this outermost structure is flagella, which helps in the movement of cell. When this flagella move, it will act as a whip and it will help in the movement of the cell.